गांवांतल्या भुईपुतांची सुवात तांची घरां भाजपाच्या मास्टर प्लॅनांतल्यान भुमिपुत्रांनी ताब्यात घेतल्यात। सत्ता तिगोवपा खातीर भाजपान आपलो प्लॅन भुमिपुत्र बिलाच्या निमतान चालीक लायला। कुट्टरेचो आमदार रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्स डिसोजान सणसणीत आरोप केला। हे बिलच स्क्रॅप करचें ताणें मागलां। भाजपा सरकारान चर्चा करिनासतना बोवाळात भुईपूत अधिकारिणी बिल पास केल्या उपरांत खवदळ जालो। विरोधक खवदळ्ळेच, समाजांतल्यो विविध संघटना पेटून उठल्यो। सगळे कडल्यान मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंताचेर फारपेट जावपाक लागिल्ल्यान गोंय भुईपूत अधिकारिणी विधेयकांतलो भुईपूत हो शब्द फाटीं घेवपाची तयारी ताणें दाखयली। नव्यान हे विधेयक विधानसभेत मांडटले अशें मुख्यमंत्र्याक सांगचें पडलें। काँग्रेसीचो आमदार रेजिनाल्ड मात भाजपाचो हो मास्टर प्लॅन आशिल्लो जो तांणी चालीक लावपाचे आतां यत्न सुरू केल्यात असो आरोप केला। पळयात।
Bhumiputra bill is not a surprise. At least to me, it's not a surprise. It is expected. It is on the lines of action what they want to do for Goa. I am saying that it is the last nail in the coffin of Goans. Today the villages, the real Bhumiputras, either their houses are closed or they are in ruins. Or the new Bhumiputra that has been defined in the Bhumiputra Adhikari Act 2021, those people have taken over these houses. A large number of Goans populated to England, Switzerland, France, Germany for their daily bread. They had no other options. Don't think they gave their citizenship for the love of the other country. No. They gave it with great difficulty, with great remorse, the citizenship, because it was their survival. They knew what the government was going to have, what was going to happen, and the views of the government and what the government was planning for Goa. The Goans were sidelined by the BJP and their plan was to replenish the Goans by the Bhumiputras as defined in the Bhumiputra Act. It shows the master plan of what has happened. Incomes, jobs were the target. Some of them in North Goa they had to give up their properties. The hard-earned properties which the ancestors had kept for them, they had to sell it. Now what has happened to North Goa? It has become a mini BJP. How it has become a mini BJP, you will ask. It is very clear. Find out how many Vasundhara Rajes have land. How many Amit Shah's sons have land there. Find out how many Meenakshi Lekhi's land own. Meenakshi Lekhi owns land there. Find out how many Zavadekars own land there. Find out which chief ministers of which states own land, which ministers from which state own land. Find out which Goa chief ministers, Goa ministers, Goa MLAs own land. Find out. In the registration offices, you can't find out. There is no smoke without fire. The BJP has been doing this. Right through, their plan was right from the beginning, which I have previously said it also, and today it is endorsed. There is a foolproof plan in action and you can visibly see it. They have brought the Bollywood culture. The outsiders come, have rave parties and they go. Destroy the state with their mercies, and the very fact of this can be made out by one pandemic. What has happened during one pandemic, even our small fisher folks, our small people, our small vendors, our small barikamya lok, the small people can't sell their goods. This is the state of affairs. Even they are replaced by Bhumiputra. After giving a summary, I have said that it is a coffin, it is the last nail in the coffin of Goans. It is so, and it is demonstrated by the fact that it is a positive act to finish Goans. To finish them of their land, soil and their home. Now let us come to Bhumiputra Act. The Bhumi is a Sanskrit word, I believe, land, and Putra is a son. The dictionary meaning of a Bhumiputra is nothing but son of the soil. I said in the beginning that the Bhumiputra is nothing but a positive act to finish Goans.
Goa 365 Bureau.